is Stephen Vegas with LiveInsuranceNews.com bringing you the major headlines from this week in insurance news.
Insurance claims pour in as snow falls in Georgia. According to the state's Department of Insurance, an estimated $10 million in damages to insured properties and vehicles has been caused throughout the state. Current estimates are being based on claims being handled by the state's insurance providers. Insurers are still assessing the extent of the damage caused to insured property and vehicles. Auto insurance lies are common among parents. According to new research, thousands of parents are committing auto insurance fraud by pretending that they are not the primary driver of a vehicle that is actually being used mainly by their children. The research shows that as many as 16% of young drivers are reducing their auto insurance rates by claiming that they are not the primary driver of a vehicle. This trend is expected to make the claims process more complicated as insurance companies begin to take account of fraud. Out-of-state health insurance companies may be able to sell policies in Washington. New legislation in Washington may allow state residents to purchase insurance coverage from companies operating in other states. The legislation is meant to expand the availability of insurance coverage. The legislation would also mean that out-of-state insurers do not have to comply with the state's insurance regulations. Healthcare reforms may be too expensive for California State students. Results from a recent poll show that California State University students may be unable to afford health insurance coverage. The poll shows that many students would like to purchase coverage but believe that coverage is too expensive for them to manage. The university sponsored the poll itself in order to better understand the concerns that students have regarding healthcare. Auto insurance rates remain stable in North Carolina. According to the state's Department of Insurance, insurers may not be seeking rate increases this year. This is due to a legal settlement made in 2009 that reduced the average insurance rate for vehicles to what they had been in 2006. State officials expect that insurance rates will remain stable throughout the remainder of 2014.
That's it for this week's news roundup. Be sure to visit LiveInsuranceNews.com for active coverage of the issues that matter to you.